Hello friends, welcome to Commerce and MS Excel app. In this video we are going to look at one of the requirement. The requirement is we need to identify the names wherein the total length of the name should be more than 4 letters and the first 2 letters of the name should be starting with S and A. Okay, so these are the list of names, and now we need to identify whether this name is more than 4 letters or not. So here I have used the length formula. So this will give us the total length of the name. So it will also count the space and it will give you the length of each name. And in the second column it will only give you the first 2 letters, starting 2 letters of the name. Okay, so I have used the len function which gives me the length, and I have used the left function, and after that I have given 2 characters. So from left I want only 2 characters so that we can get first 2 letters of the name. Okay, so these are all the first 2 letters of this particular names. So our requirement is that 2 criteria it should meet. One is greater than 4 length, so here you can get the length, and another thing is that it should start with S and A. The first letter should be S and A. So these are the 2 conditions. So I have mentioned the 2 conditions here. Now if you look at my result, I have applied CountIF function. Okay, range F6 to F14 I have given here. So this is F6 and this is F14. So in this range it will search for this criteria J. Okay, and in G6, G14, so this is the G line, G column, and here it will search for S and A. So once these 2 criteria are completed, then what is the count? If these 2 are satisfied, what is the result? So it says total 5 are there. So let us cross check. So this is the one, and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So total 5. We got the same answer. So let us try to change and see whether this is dynamic or not. So instead of SA I have updated it as okay. Now the result falls to 4 because the first, though it is length is 4, more than 4, but the first 2 letters are not SA. Okay, so in this case this will not meet our criteria, and total 4 we have now. Okay, so in this way, if you want to write a lengthy formula, instead of writing in one cell, you try to split it into multiple cells and place your conditions in different cells. Just link with your final result so that you can get the answer easily, and the formulas will be able to understand in future. If you open again and if you cross check these functions and formulas, you will be able to understand easily from where these formulas are actually applied. Okay, so this is all about CountIFs and with multiple functions and multiple conditions. Okay friends, so if you have any doubts on this particular thing, you can please post in comment section. And thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.